Welcome to our tutorial on the Splunk dedup command. The dedup command is one of the most useful commands in Splunk search processing language for data cleanup and analysis. It allows you to remove duplicate events from your search results based on specific field values. This command is essential when you're working with large datasets where duplicate entries can skew your analysis or create unnecessary noise in your results. The primary purpose of the dedup command is to eliminate duplicate events from your search results. It works by examining the values in specified fields and removing events that have identical combinations of those field values. This is particularly useful when dealing with log data, network traffic, or any scenario where the same event might be recorded multiple times. By removing these duplicates, you can get a cleaner, more accurate view of your data. The basic syntax of the dedup command is straightforward. You start with the pipe symbol, followed by dedup, and then specify the field or fields you want to use for deduplication. You can specify multiple fields by separating them with spaces. For example, pipe dedup user_ID will remove duplicates based on the user ID field. If you specify multiple fields like pipe dedup src_ip dest_ip, it will remove events that have the same combination of source IP and destination IP addresses. The sortby option gives you control over which duplicate event to keep when duplicates are found. By default, dedup keeps the first event it encounters, but with sortby, you can specify a field to sort by before deduplication occurs. Use a minus sign before the field name for descending order, or a plus sign for ascending order. For example, sortby -_time will keep the most recent event when duplicates are found, while sortby plus bytes will keep the event with the smallest byte count. The keepevents option allows you to specify how many duplicate events to retain for each unique combination of field values. By default, dedup keeps only one event per group, but you can change this behavior. For instance, keepevents = 3 will keep up to 3 events for each unique combination, while keepevents = 1 explicitly keeps only one event per group. This is useful when you want to see multiple instances of similar events, rather than just one representative example. Here's a comprehensive example that combines all the options we've discussed. This command removes duplicates based on both user_ID and source IP address fields, sorts by time in descending order to keep the most recent events, and retains up to 2 events for each unique combination. This means if there are multiple login events from the same user and IP address, you'll see the 2 most recent ones. This type of command is excellent for security analysis, user behavior tracking, and identifying patterns in your data, while maintaining some context through multiple retained events. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.